In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a voiceover in Kapwing. This is a great skill to have, especially if you're looking to add a personal touch to your video projects. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Kapwing website. This is your starting point for creating more content in less time, and you'll find this platform to be both intuitive and powerful for all your editing needs. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the Sign In button. It's important to be logged in so you can access all the features Kapwing offers and save your projects seamlessly. After clicking Sign In, you'll see a few options for logging in. For simplicity, I recommend choosing Sign In with Google. This option will allow you to use your existing Google account credentials, streamlining the process and keeping everything connected and secure. Once you've clicked that, select your account from the list. It will redirect you back to Kapwing, and you'll know you're logged in by seeing your profile avatar. Now it's time to get to your project. On the main dashboard, you should see your existing projects if you've been using Kapwing before. Click on the particular project you want to add voiceover to. With your project open, it's time to head to the audio section. You'll find this option in the toolbar, and it's where all your audio editing magic will happen. Click on audio, and you'll see options to either upload audio files or record new ones. For this lesson, we're focusing on recording directly within the platform. To do this, click on the record button. It's easy to spot and will take you to the recording options. Before you start, ensure you select your preferred recording device from the drop-down menu. This step is crucial to make sure you're capturing high-quality sound from your microphone. Once you've chosen your recording device, click on the red circle. That's the record button. At this point, your voiceover will begin recording, so make sure you're ready with your script or lines. Speak clearly and with the appropriate pauses to convey your message effectively. When you're finished, all that's left is clicking the record button once more to stop the session. You can review your audio, and if everything sounds good, you're ready to integrate it into your video. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create a voiceover in Kapwing from start to finish. This simple yet effective technique will give your videos that extra touch to make them stand out. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!